area busia for ye mammo akwa abefa etwa to no enie Ghana nkomo no eno na ye de ebremu nti e be hwe nsem na nkrata ande ba ye no na ye didi emu enkomo pacha meantime no ma men kanche menu abema Edward Ayi a Waterloo Ghana say me ma woda pana eja nume grandpa this I have to speak Ghana. You know I can't speak Ghana, so let me do it this way. Happy birthday to you, Edward Ayi of Waterloo Ghana. From me, myself, and I, your greatest and beloved granddaughter. And then you should be on pension by now, you know. And then your niece, Sofa Edu, and then all the squad, Man Reggie, Eugene, and everybody. And we say, we love you. You are the best grandpa ever. So age in grace and in wisdom, and be your best grandpa Edward Ayi. Enti mawie ne sana afei enen komo aye babedi no ye hwe nsema krata ne de baye is still voters register na trend pa is say steady mina na brofo steady wo mbe ye register no for front ne the Ghanaian Times about EC will go ahead with the new voters register ebri at EC commission na adwobremra na ni enso e kan ni do na e ka so peace council mramu na money on kasa na onhwe ni a obeye no isi se obeye new register ibedi ho enkomo na fe NRSA se a National Road Safety Commission your authority wonum se wo mo pe policy direction omo twen policy direction e wo kada ho e ya sampa sese yehwe na ye ka onum se de bia me de betina ha na ka che say thanks to Superintendent Alexander Obin say road traffic regulation at 1022 1218 onunti say ade an nan yendan ense say ye de ye commercial ye de ye se ase e behu say we nu wotwi ne private and wotwi ne commercial no kra ya asem na ese nkwanhia so pa say we wo mo ansese anka nche ye kra wa wo de wani fam kra wutumi ehu wo mo che say enipa be say ahenso ne aduasa mienu e na afra wonum na moto nkwanhia so wo kadai ehwe wonum enkwa hwa asemo we kra ye de ekọ asipiti de obo ho a wo san fa na de prapra ho de wan fa nkọ asipiti de ono wo tifi a ye hwe no ene sa tricycle yi pragia ni abobo ye isu di baby pa na so authority for eso mo twen policy dia na ye bisa say na road road traffic regulation no LI no 1028 no sano saying it's LI 1218 so I'll just verify that sano saying nti anopai no so ebehwe ho sem na yaka anopai otise na any room yes boss yes say abrante no a kotokofan na etuo no eka no yes say aboba bullet ti eche yes a bullet pa na rubber bullet cause said the daily guide they can a bullet in 9 pa egu obitimu a ene e bisa guest ne say obi betumi atena sesa bra bullet na egu ne tiri musa no but suppose ni kro di say adwuma no yes ya interdicting nti ene we ene nsamiensa yebedi eho enkomo Honorable Dr. Henry Kwabena Kokofu or your Deputy CEO Ghana Integrated Iron and Steel Development Corporation wabanti ene no behye nkomodie no ase ye hwekwan se Erika J Deputy Bono Regional Communications Officer ema NDC amanyuko no enso beba beka ho se Erika fi NDC dia then your guess is as good as mine Honorable Dr. Henry Kwabena Kokofu wa unimni so ye former MP Bantama and Osaye a former chairman Emma Bantama MPP Amanyuko Dimo and Ofri Doc. So last week Michelle until the official part dear me know ya carry and sa pepe ntia no pay die ye mfa nkomo hwehwe so agrone form na ye hwe sa agudie mu nsem a ye bewie na adane asem fofore posifo so ye ya ne interdict a ya ne ye ntidie besi a chire biem unimu mra die ye interdict a ekosisa ya na say we ache no after interdiction what next
mame mawache ne madwuma yefo nyina titu adwuma ewura no na mampeni so ne amemu penifo ayare wosem making can be say isine football matches ntokwa ne atutura asem si ase intimi fa bebre ntu ye hofo obi baka cho se ye wiase nyina ehaw ba ko ne bidie titiri aman kra enim se won akọ anim abrabom ne mpuntuo mu ebisisi wo ho.
Yeah, that's true.
Nanso eno so nkire se esese ye koso ema no basenia eba ni. Nanu ya na ye free agudie nhihye mu football mu ye twensensen ye nanu ya na mpani ma akwan a ye hyase de mo friend na ye friends normalization committee ebesi GFA 9 na omye na niema enam so ma football mu antawanta ne niema bebre ba ma saa GFA ne wo ho no ekoye na ye suspended football organization or main mu no saa niema rowdism ana fans say on spectators ekwohwe agudie no won suban ne on ye bi a emfata ne nyina aka ho bi afen su bi officials ehwe saa adwumadie no so ha ye referees no ne on modern bone saa won adwumadie nyina aka saa nsem ne ho bi.
Okay.
Nti one would have thought say nka ye twen saa adwumadie sensan na normalization committee behwe so up to this point Kenya nsesua bi free mbeba na afinka ye makwan asanhye league yasi nka niema edi begugu akwam to check all these things yeah those days we have video mu na referee bi age sika bi kata asehye accusations we edi ano enkohu referee enkoye into then na normalization committee edigu akwam sesa na man ke betumi asia no ana ye sia no mpo a ebebras edie na football administrators no so esua free saa de mu ana yen so a yekokohwe bie na edi the various clubs na chi na ye de ye kra ne ya hoden ne yakoma nyina di akire no then na yen so yesua free mu na match say number 3 ni ohun third week ni
Third week on Mrantie and
third week
Mrantie and say third week.
Just a new league ni nru ba bia
Ye kukurumponi.
So kire yen say esese ye extra careful. Why just imagine abema ono no wakọ okohwe ball na senyame anyina kire wo hwere ne nkwa ana wudi dem bia yentimi emfa na mra ne dada mbiewa edie pa na ebenya
fi asa brantie ba kutu aboba wo se sesi ayehu se ye rubber wo se ye life one wo e kanani ama yesi a doctor for ni se nani ba ko ne kan na wo hwe daily guide achi wo kra bi nso da wo nani ba ko ne de jama forever damaged asay no
apart from there nipa mienu ni prada no
eye baako we ya anti na ye nwanwase yesi bullet ye yi bullet oni timu no enti then am I a bit confused.
Yeah, whatever the cases asemasi abrante ne pra eye life threatening just say na me baso no eye needless enanke hu hia baako kra say police ni kro no tutuo no obeto sa atuo no mentiase se besine crowd control crowd we no so crowd a defined crowd fans spectators ya ekohwe agodie wonim se wiase nyina ye boye ho anu se ye ko hwe dwumadie bia ana ye ko siase ye hwe dwumadie bia that sa crowd ni hia na nipa na etwahia ni nyina no completely defined your one purpose.
Okay.
Different from say your one na see bibini na we free harbor na sa the ta friend mob no. So
nipa dodo
abochenku prekope sabre no nipa dodo no mu ye bibia woni ba bi kura de enti kura obi kura ba ho. So eno na more dangerous.
Okay.
Known as a mob action. Saafo no bochenku na omu di dwumadie bia ehu papa. But a defined crowd you betimi can say 1 year spectators, football fans, no matter how omo actions anase o niam o mbeye no be etuo de the last meanwhile onkuta weapon bia onkuta bibi bia just on show ana yenye say ye be sonu mu akire no kra na bia wa resist na impo kra sebe imprediasa nipa wadi bone sa akromfo ana bibi kra na wa resist arrest no enye ofiti ya na wo bonutu ana wotutu I don't understand. Me mentiase. At this police in Pennyforce say I train nothing say I interdict no. Me am COP regional commander. Meaning say on now ma we say enkosa say the da bibia kono no.
Okay.
Aso twen papa bi o a esese de ma no. Na say ye mrantie na ye mabaawa na wo police service num say esese ye hyeda nya won a ebetimi adi sa adwuma no wabra enko fa bibia sa ma ebeboa yen won a ye di won bekọ agudi bia esese ye hyeda ma won special orientation minim se mpani beka sa
agudi bia keka na se usuzu se ne yem purpose for special that to omo se mude ani se crowd control nti baby anipa bebo chenku bia no fi se ya se ya kamia ye bibia wo se edru baby anipa bo chenku na nipa no ya aso brache ne aso odin a se posi betia wo mo no ana obeka wo mo ahye ne ya na aye bibia wo ho na se edru baby na ye hu ne se akobro so wo mo tia no Abraham so kakra
one say e be a demonstration na nipa ko say eya amayokuofo say ye other groupings bia bibi ho na say ye betu montene na ye de aye kire so ho ye part of crowd ya ye ka ho asem tem bia police or to control ye wadi be a friend peaceful demonstration say me ye tu montene ni enam hodin yensaguye ho na ye se placard na bibi ekura ye na ye kọ na ye pese ye kan yensem eno mpempi yetimi hunu police action a wo se nke ehu hia kura se police ebetu sa na mo peaceful demonstration obehwe na won a etu sa montene no route de ama won se monfa ha mamonfa ha monkosi ha na won aya asobrachie ne bia wadan won ho odan won ho kofa ba bi different na afi obehwe na nkrofo stores nkrofo car ana ye buruburu mu ye se no ye de ye shitais ana ye eno no ye violent demonstration
okay
eno no e call for police action a ebetimi abre sa de nase
okay
eno no sa type of demonstration a threat to life and property
okay
police will level be a omo betimi akodu na no kra no omo employ bibi to say ye spray nsuohie nom ene ade to disperse crowd nom ne ade ansa na tutu obebe mu no esese ekoduru mpempenso bi a chese bia saafo no kura
minimum force de court kura ntim define minimum force no ma wo mu
and na me church
doc mesre wani di ma me enyi wunu abe ma Adekye enchenti ebusiafo yenu abe ma Adekye aba be kan ho Adekye na wo ye communications officer wo bono deputy communications officer wo bono region ema NDC amanyuko no ohene akwaba
ejoso ya
efie boko
nyame ado
ye de nyame ase ye nko kra ye ka enano enene nansa de siye wo agoprama so wo babanya na wo kumase no na ye hwe interdiction na abemu no se no ahonkomo na yedi doc mpacho buti
yes eti whatever it is police administration betu anamo se nipa no ebeyi na die se ebe ni den ebe ntede wasey ade
aha doc yese ne lawyer waba ha mesere na mafa time ne kakra ba kwa nchechira mpese ude emremu echeche no se ofa nkrata na ne daily guide say the cop is fired Ghanaian Times say interdicted what some it say situation say mu say yesu say nam ne nsa so na obi epra no ye ne dan anas ye ka interdiction na echesen na ye ka se fired a echesen wo emrani mu
interdiction ye say ya twen asensen udwumadie na wodie no yesi jai fato ho na afi ye hwehwemu afa saa adwumadie na wadie no se koba se wayem fomso a asotwi bi ho ese de ma wana ana se pempensu bi ese de ugina na se ye hwehwemu na unni fo wo ho ana unni asem bi a ene na no yetimi san ma wo kokoye wadwuma yetimi reinstitute na se fodie ni ade bi wo ho de a ene reinstatement ni between abase be you adi kra between abase bi skra se san de gina mra anim
na ye ntimi nhwe hu se ehwa ne wa ne se ti se abranche de si o 1 nti wo de ne de yenye interdiction hwa ne wa ne afaya ana se once wo ye adwuma na mfom so aba ne de ebedi kan yen se be interdict wa
sa pepe first step step and sana wa indeed one say constitution no so share say obi bia wo ho kwan say okanasem nti you give him a fair hearing in the process of interdiction no ya be friend e be busa na no asem so all the uttering pattern rule yes listen to the other part nti your process ya for adwuma no you file through a process you ready through a process so nti na bibia you well established na edidawo nti whether say ya sake no ana ya interdict no the bottom line is police administration are taking action abia from the time interdicting be see ebra na delegate they can say then abia dismissal na badia we can't tell yeah.
Mesa baba ye education number 2 ma nanso ma Eric Mremu ema me say ohene baby ayedru ni yesidi esi ye no ebi se ya interdict na ebi se ye yinadi posi ni ekro na nam ni nsaso no ye behwe posi fo na wo kan wo hwe posi fo na wo hwe yen so a ye kohwa ade no se de ye be comport ye ho na ama ankokire wo mo so na so mo so ekire wo mo so a best way na ni say fire power na
ya me da say me ma wa fin shapa
ya me ma fi pan comment ye nyan shai
bro yen so one frame bi
eja na wo frame bi ne ma mfa
say wo fa no de wo frame bi ana
nra na wo de wutie mu a
wo de manti
ja ye wo de wa bo me so bo amaji etum fambo ne
of appointment no so ba me ni shiada
oh sa o eni wa cha papa cha fe na be ba congratulations
na me pese one man
family
one man pay di kan bansa of congratulations
thank you
na UTV men check crew ni na ya mo bi bi official am said this event happened very unfortunate na the ebe kan say Ghana aso man no e was certain bi anka ya enema asipen no yesua bibi di film at the end of the day say BBC na ye ntimi ansua whether the negative aspect of the positive na ya antwe bi amfim amfa moye ho bra na akoye say the see ye ne ansua de bi amfim memete ye no ye me hu dream pa se eni bebi a anibie ekoi na agukansie keke obi betiesi agoprama so se okwa akoye nema ayense ne mfata I think the supporters so in a way no almost a man nesu bampedi and with Ghana Police Service no yeah some of them are professional nye omu nyina na etoda omodwuma emfata but your best friends will say baby a enye meko no I think say there was a consistency about mu training mu crowd control per se was a share more past records I the time we are crowd control matter baby and aboba sanigu nipa so and which is a idea enye fe nti your best stress ye ko yenim no ye ntu anamompa emfamfa ho na policeman na bi mo se ya fire no bi mo se ya interdict no interdiction to say the me of akan ye no o adwumam na bibiasi ye se kwotena nchen kakra ne yenhwe nhihye bi ye wie na ohuson a wetimi aba ba ye wadwuma ba fire ne de akoye se dismissal employee a omo wadwuma na ade echi osema fire o ba ye nyine nim se we na enye se bia ye yinadi because you say assemblies the rule of natural justice na was say Juma. You must also hear the other side. You say bia uhu say obi atutu e de abo obi ne kire say bia odifo ana say we ni dibem. Na me ogidie mapa say police administration ne betena say na any thorough investigations e was more conducted into this very matter no. Omo timi conduct. Into the Ghana Police Service. Ira Santia Pietu by a banny police administration, police personnel, ne human a year. I'm say 200 among Kakranka Crantia, and I'm observing a pa. Into one fan and Nancy from said the Oya de Akano. Na Yama Peri and Ned. Adeba woman say, DS, no, say ye and the other side of the police person. Me, cause you take any radical decision. Ochina bi no osuma police ni so onko assignment a na ni tua se de yekoso yin kan but ehunu bi penti no so atwene ho asi nchen se onko kan wakwa akonya asem but I think say so mo hwe e ma no kre wo mu ni bibia da dia e be boa strengthen police institution no on say ya we nyina ye issue a ya na we politicians ye raise concerns bare 4 days ago. Many police in penny being encounter. Some of them are very bitter. When him say Caneno, na security operatives in the country, the police service, the military service, immigration yada. Yeah, amunina no moko training 6 months. When him say age ya near the form munina na wo so when him say no because police who come na we the 35 years kwa yemfa.
Okay.
And 40 years in IFA. Omoko training 3 months near the Omaba. So the professionalism there was an institution no komuno. America need keep deteriorating. I'm telling you, and it's a fact. Check. Yes, I am from so Nawaba. Said ye. How can you train police officer 3 months so Mrana wa training 2 gidi waba?
Why aba?
Waba want to say the nako. O say
Obi na ye.
I know na mekan na obeka ya enche bia. Minority in parliament led by Honorable James Agaga. Ya o kaso the crowd be ba bonten say kwanya ye fa so ye recruit edeko ye security agencies no. Akwa say backdoor na e ya do so do. O kai statement no. And I make catch say with the facts.
Aban bia breso anasa
aban we pencil. Ye tie konwa so want to say you trainee.
Go that way then the discussion no ye nya na.
E no na me pen e be ko ni yi. Education ni binya. And this about Tiakunya, so to say custom for code training 3 months. What to say prison officers, code training 3 months, 6 months. So what is really wrong? And the police if we are the patapa for bimukum ya ubuso bi ni din kro nim tro because we kuni ho ama party aba power nti the police ni security apparatus na yenye a job for the boys. And to such a member some kind of make policeman no could this
some can the one thing who says some can afe be we are saying yes say
oh the American a fact reality na American
cause some can nti I don't get it.
We no a foot be a dema IGP say police as an institution no or more credibility to protect in the country because you know more ye juma mai and a Ghana ni who say loopholes or one no befa. Because be ni semi minim say and no be obe 39 good years. Ya fan as last corporate.
Na me ka say security experts no cry a omo ka say eti wo ba bia na mama who dey to butimi mama who do also say whenever a government is in power what kind of brofuna makes it easy na later my chances whenever a government is in power the police have that soft spot or the tendency to lean towards the government
but
of the day. Enti adia ekoso atembia security experts no etufu se sa ade ni se aban wo hono mu a na se police no ago ne ho ama aban no wo mo enhwe no mo enwum na se ekoba se wo koka ne se se aban bi pe a e be sesa nkomodie
asemo america ne se aban be ne ba Ghana ha what is the police for co training 3 months what be that can kire me aban be ne ba Ghana what is prison officers eco training 3 months and it's a fact they are there officers need to make catch us oh ha na de omaba ye pin omuchu na de omaba o de omoko asambo ko attention obi nim ye what are we doing to our own system then at the end of the day Yeah, the such person and no kwa bontense onko ye adwuma ebeboa. It could be so nim the left and right cra. The opebia obeye menka say police ni no yes and a part of them. But the futuo and I made my own in general. We as a politicians because I did be ba na ye the influence akom. But yeah, I did ba ko made be a mechanic say we a politician and now we a suffer we en semtroni. Yeah, ejibuma ye nyina ya na ye need the security so meboa. Yeah. And this ye be ye near money nyina e ho de mpo no. I was saying you're very careful. Ubetimi aka say oh and this wa ban mu no we bisi ya da bia meka ya the essence of say sisa ban ne say enema bi ana ekoso aban bi penso no na Ghana fo ani nye ho meboa enti se Ghana fo ani nye niema bi ho ni asisa aban na aban bi aba na aban bi ye ne wesa then you start comparative analysis and this ye say enti ye say with clear example of this ya yawaso no we make it we be na me dey show this ya yawaso no because utie kwanya mpanimfo ye toto ma no ne me nua double timi ka kire Ghana fo ni wiase nyina se oko training 2 months 2 weeks ye kire how to handle weapon to you see adibi wo ho a common sensically no utimu se nto asomu nti ye best police administration led by me papa opombo no me am krom ni ye best no won fa ne nancy form ni enim se police ne ne a lot of the chaff ye de omoba. And these are the very people on be creative trouble. Ama police administration be more credibility ni pampu wo mumu no. Ya na no so take off.
Me sure say papa very active.
Of
education be but
about education. Ya wa problem e wo man. Da so to be e ka say o man Ghana na ebebo emmo ni nyina gina ya man your force. Parliament nyina chinye. You have a situation on your hand. National issue obiba epra as ye bompaye se ewu enkobem asempo ne ho betisi akra na aka chem se nani no kra enye
enye forever damaged
eti ye kan na ya pen po masibre ya pen ye de you anopai opeso hye amanfo abufuo ekofa amayosem ene ade ade bewuram se aban bi penso 3 months training now be announced your memha justice and any boy yeah let my vote count this demonstration process for 2 man any boy akwada na bu besine sata sa process no ko training 2 months and 1 month mamu nyesa enye de biara da na be MPP NDC MPP this is trouble MPP NDC there you be kapa campaign with 2020. Now it will be based on issues. You be for education, you be for security, you be for bibia. Ya that sabre ni dura. Now we programmer. And now century be any programmer. So mama atiase say ne ye ba no. Issues upon issues, security, education, then we ne ya the comparative analysis in there. You be ye ne ye papa. Ye de atoto ho ne ahwe amamuo mfie nwotwe of NDC. Mahama Mills administration any Akufo-Addo amamuo of 4 years near the aye comparison near Ghana baby ayakodu ntinya abotra no pede nkrofo ani abre asema da ho saa na wo Kumase no abrante wa Akra se okwa akohwe ball na wakohia saa nkwanhia no ahomete one ye ka se police as professionals won dwuma ye no to de bia etosini nye won nyinara ebinum adwuma ye tosini and it is time from time immemorial. Go and ask Peter Namfuri say ye kan IGP obey adwuma wo man na prosifo suro no pa untimi nyi Mr. Peter Namfuri free highly disciplined and awudi agra obey you during the time nyina na ye wa asobrachie for police service. Baby abenu ne ba sabe hia bia better na wunya a black sheep any na say aban we bae ana under President Akufo-Addo aban ana ye hunu say police ni bi ye na adwuma na mfom so akoba na no don't go that tangent say you see a chronicle ni be yi ne baako I am sorry free program is there. Don't go there.
Did you get him or say this particular policeman or say kwanya ye fa so ye fa ni pasesi asesa nti bia ni nyina account ye di nkomo edie ye mfa no nkwa adwendwen mu but he made the emphasis said not this particular policeman.
Now, how does that one even come in?
Oh,
but Koya Faso police. Koya Faso police. Omu online application. Oma go through process. Now, baby, the trainer said, "Do muko, do mako." One out here say police ni be a catcher so muko ya busumi miasa. How authentic is your information? We are ringing police.
Sign the council say a fact crime.
What you say? So you are manufacturing your own facts and
not manufacturing.
They say, "Oh, the barber."
I have my base.
Away, we base in.
Yeah, my kasa. Unim.
Nanusia.
We base in any because the only authentic source I will be your police administration and our fire service administration and our immigration administration. A whole now kwa no routine omu go through. But concoct now during NDC time, we know how many people call police in near the crowd. They never even had 1 day or 2 weeks training. They did not. Yes, they did not, and they are in there.
One day, they also
me free police administration.
Yes,
yeah, during that time.
Yes, NDC them crop by
yes.
Police for him for.
Maybe police administration.
I did too broad. You could be saying, you could confirm
the records are there. Our police administration.
Headquarters.
Yeah.
And our regional.
Headquarters.
More for propaganda.
I was in Parliament. NDC.
So of our documentary proof of
NDC MPs ya omu paki omu crop for protocol do omu ko police in the
Omanye training cry.
Omanye training.
Yeah, we need
yeah, Eric ye bia no waye.
Well, sir, tangent no person your corner. We go there because that's the point. Because I thought say as a host you would have put the brakes on him. Say madam for baby at the end one baby you was say no. Your middle line ye share say be ya asem yes na ebin CBU. But you allow no man no call tracker.
So want to say we say you didn't come on say be boy say dem busa you want.
What now so I ask brachi want you have the power to stop him
at one time and yet for you so brachi another.
So you should have stopped. You could have stopped him because me say me call off tangent. You should be able to stop him.
According to the logic of me ofano. Or say the MMA kone off tangent.
Okay.
We say political debate near you. And there's nowhere as someone me can ha e be me wo fa kokofu de o kasa no na ne emphasis ne
but yes can dey beg Ghana for
purely political some of the issues are social say social sometimes you agree on
kwan ya me fa ma asem na man fa na manyo asem akwan so metwa ha ne matwa but in of a debate no na ne points we building na professionalism ogina so kan asem pa
okay
and I me capitalize on what he said ne say professionalism na ye ka no. Are we really saying say is it working on the grounds? So okay. Police administration, oko SEPs, oko prisons, ne de keka ho a. And I mean mo make a chair say, and na yete o man mu hai. Oko prison service a, ye wo personnel a ye de o ba, o mako training 3 months. Wo ho ane de o ba so de o mu fi training school mako 3 months training aba. Oko fire the same. Oko police a keep happening. And I make a chair say, many police penny be share even bare 4 days ago. And now papa need to make us say obi will bear 40 years. Ni a question the police atade the number. Omoko parade crowd cantation onim the meaning of it. All matters or borders on professionalism na ye kano. Enti sa asem wasi. Ni e ka say se pese ye ni ye dia. Ye nka ni ye ni entu ase. And I make us say the essence and amfasodi enti a ye Ghana for to aba ne say e bia party A na party B wa ban mu no. Oye niema ba ko mienu bia na enye. Enti Ghana ni bi de nani ato form se eniema we ni we ana e wo so mo ye ni si o mo anye ni si enti no me kwa kwoto abati aban no eno no ofa so de ne propaganda e bam se NDC ti aban mu no ye fa bi mu kra koya o mo anye training
onu nya de enye propaganda
we de tie me ofa de na pure propaganda o se o me de na fact the fact check
nkwa na o
me ba no ofa ka kire me se ena obusa wofa no ofa so ne de enyi no the free police administration ewie ye ofa so wo mra hye bedwam na NDC MPs ne de o mo kwa ohu ofa twa no pa no ni nyina ne se ye as politicians ade no ko ye koma ya on say ya ene we no born ye bo a yakotutu abo obi ani o and such unprofessionals now, you're more into our securities now. Just imagine, say, demonstration, so I'm going protect ya. She demonstration crowd.
Yes. Kind of blankets.
Some.
Accidents do happen.
Yes, I know, I get it.
And so you're professional.
And I'm saying some of them are unprofessional. It's a fact, we know. And when I make us say you start here and to us here. I go pramaso kura omote for mam you know and I'm sorry in the back. Na say ban say you demonstration here ko here in Tamale.
Da be no
and san here maybe see ya. Obe kan say no link they call let my vote count the NAC you know. Offer you see.
Oh, then we are going back.
No, offer call home boy. But there me person me chere say something occurred. Ya say a demonstration na. Ohwe ya ye demonstrating na like ye patapani zoo sembi mu a ye nyina esuba nye pe hwe nipa dodo a yaka bo mu say ye koye peaceful demonstration obi ono oba nye peace kra na woni tim what is a demo na odeba obi ani said ye ni suni na bantie and this a policeman engage obi na one match professionalism in him nipa na exhibit ade bia be ma nipa no so yidi e woni mu adi but ya wadwuma ma ye toda ye ba ye timi ye debate bi ni ye provoke you master di upa ubufu a uye din na wajae ye de ya na wabisa mawie meboa
aw
o mesu se Mr. Diu utimi hu se waka munya obi amfi ne wa yedi na ohwe ye kan ne ebre to da ne afere ne yetia ne yejae ne wabem enti de me pesa me kire ne se adwuma bia ne se de ho mrate eye nipa ho adwuma na wo ye the fact is say politicians amanfo ne boy de ye ba abam no nkire se kia ne ke wa ba abam na se menye ba bi de ne ko the fact is any pan fit can e was so okoho e ba ne sa ya na ye build bibia to ho ama ye hu
okay sasa na o kadia ene ye hwe say ye be make progress na so nka na minya education me de be church na say
oh betu ana
oh there be na nka mpese why lawyer because na anopo na me hwe lawyer obeboa ye ama ya hwe sa public order act na so asemba ko so ehia pa da ha say ya eno so mpese ye dwen ho says CA National Road Safety Authority say nyame so asem no kresa road traffic regulation LI no 2081 yeah I got it now 2081 sa LI no say said the aye ne die mo brofo na mo can it has outlived its usefulness and so eni ne so papa if he said okada no se si abeye emwa mebi mo aye adwuma a ebi mo ye I just say I create jobs no ebu ebinom so ukonkura ase a enu kra na omo de fa apemfo no omo de etwi omo nua ne wonum de yese enkra ha yeti eye contembrantem nti aye adwuma ma bi mu no aye means of transport enso ebu amanfo pa nti se see you know road safety authority for say be ya omo twa ministry of transport say omo emfa new policy direction mra kwa omo de okada nsem ne be fa so if you say any say ebu anyina nso edie yesi kolebufo na e kan daily graphic say 22nd 23rd December accident yesi wo Ghana pa no emu be se 30 ya 20 die na yesa moto ya enti edie wu pa se be ya yen streamline na won ehu se de wonum besi afa no enu no wosese wo keka bomu a enipa na moto nkwanhia so wuye 732 we kura no jamade ekopie wo mo anim wo meramu anase yesesen ye no de yansesen de ye ntimi enka nti sesesi ya adwuma ma bi no mo nti yensesa mera na na say policy new policy no enkosen
yeah okada na no bro yan okoy
Kobi mentumi anko se na me yedwa na bronya na wuti fi zatem na me so madwuma so
ata na mo ne asore for sa wa hasa ba mo sapa moya de okada ya sa okobie dia ano edene oko techiman brekum goso duan kwanta na doma hinkru se ukura mambobosi
hope
hona atia tese pa drobo so ka ho na me constituency sampa na ya besu beku no be United crash and driver for because bro techima hu okada president na so oba moto kid e dinanim no enya de yes so I think say they are Ghanaians and ni nyina kakra nipa bedi enti na akofa sa nyama ni nyina ba. So this is the time I was say yenya kwanya ebetimi afa so regulate omo. Yes, because adena we are dominating in the scene. And for now, oshe economic hardship ya ewo mu ya. Omo so boade no kranya mi anim ni. Because me ko sunya na me fifi na me kokrom na me fo kada. E beji me 1 cedi.
Okay.
But me fo taxi ya e beji me 2 cedis. Okay. So in economic wise no boa e mani pass tene mu so ye den ehin hayo mo. But e ba ahase no na edu baby a sunya to be precise say oba na obefa rex o baby a police for no kura hu na omutimi chew. Aha mo so mo
nti areas bi ho no mo a eni ho.
Yes, no mo teta no ko to krom ni de keka ho no new doma aha. But we den a abawi nti e besre road safety for ne mpanimfo e kan bi DVLA ne mo keka ho ne say they should sit because a source of employment for others.
Okay.
Minim nipa ba ko bi wo go so sa yellow okada obe 100
tricycle no de omo friend no say pragiano
nye de 400 yira wo tamale no sadade no won say sadade na
sa abobo ya no de omo de twiniama
Dr. Bawumia ne nanado team no won say tunam soro no nye no ne yake
oh this guy
400 ayira e won off sada yes
okay nye de Dr. Bawumia
ne nanado team no
me can the former president Mahama Kotena bi mo commission ye no
eno ne yake no yeah
then we are safe
eno ne yake wo de wo
maybe me say so no so tena mu commission
commission ya ne de na ntu na de fa form na wo de atu a eda form enti de yake ne say omo regulate ni ye na ema omo operations ne so enye legal at the end of the day no one say yeah de
mama musa wasem ye ma ne nye legal because I create enwuma ma bi mo
oh yes
ene de keka hunti ade a ya say ye illegal unyi ni so mo ka say illegal no omo dwen amanfo bambo sisi a hwe meba case says minimum bi a ofro sa pragiani bi a otim ebo amenem ebo amenem say yemfutu kwan because baby e adwan so most places yemfutu kwan te ebo amenem no sense do bi ani ho ebeji wo no e no fi amenenum ehwe ase ne eyi ne bo rebe no nkase no ba kwa hwan enne ya me no kase am wo gi treatment inti what about safety?
I get it. Ya okwo yenkura ne biese a baby akampo ne ye adwuma na some of the cars omo ni insurance, some of the cars omo nye road world nso omo nam kwan so ye ja omo twam barrier ekoba da bia
nti okada de na proper enforcement
ana okada de na America no o se ye mra no se de hihye no ya si se aja usua mra nimfo na me wo fa so wa on say the essence of say ya amende mra emre ko nanim no nipa behavior esesa enema piecesa
okay
nti ye hwe na se enema bi we sachire mu na ebesi to the current condition of the people we amend our laws so when we dey meche no no e na regulations ne ba safety wise no if there's a legislative backing say okada ene utimi de ye adwuma okrum ba ansa na wonfanya adwuma no e wo se wonya insurance you insure ubenya we all those nyema no eya ahobanbo a emanipa etenemu say ya car accident yenya bebre even some of the lorry accident kra na yenya no when accident okita insurance e kra wokope claims every companies no ya bra obre
okay
enti de me pese me kire ne say for now they've come to stay oni ade bia obetimi ayafa ho ni nyina ne say there should be regulations I betimi regulate omo na omo hu omo ho say omo nhye mra bi asenti obi eye de awpe taxi driver to ne car onim say driver anya hwe so okuta ne driving license mewa e was say road world ye adwuma e was so one insurance
na say motor riders no ye ma omo license
very good but how many of the okada
is it about the license and I say is it about say wonum di nhye
no there should be proper regulations for them that is the fact because a regulation about enum na be identify say ansa na untwi sa okada no bi no na wo license ana meboa ansa na wo dey move no na wo road world wo do to buta to e wo say utwa all those are regulations and for now they are any option they've come to stay and the activities in the system no eboa because some of the areas me wo come krum ya na wo hwe suma hin kru to sampa na say taxi give 3 Ghana cedis aba no okada eje 1 Ghana obefo What you say?
Safety
the safety aspect is there. Okay. Yes, I do pray nam so tito meboa.
But this one is
oh, meti wasi o. I do pray nam so. What traffic in China tito.
How often?
Can nam form.
How often?
Yeah, how often? Tito ba kwa real life a losing at go. You get it. Can nam form a insurance. A drive okuta and license accident. So with Okada for no. If
road safety for
if your money regulations no nim say car kwa or no so mrache no police ni hu no timi ehwehwe ni niamam ne de keka ho. They will be very careful on our rules.
You think say you need our regulation or
oh say omo anka so omo dwuma di omo Okada business no yeah should that need regulatory
yes doctor wa I say na emransem so e wo fi say ba regulation because say ade ni nyina kwan so unam kwan so nko ade a ye wo kwan so nhyehyeye which ye kambo ma ye kan say road traffic regulation wa unam kwan so de onam fom wo ne chefan isi odi so bicycle moto car obi a wo ne nhyehyeye isi odi so nti regulation na o ka minima de ba do we no road safety for kra na esusu sesesi ano yenhwe ne kwan ya development ahodo a abem no na say ne ye benya new policy about Okada na yenya. Mira, what you saying?
We have a problem on our hand. And yeah, road safety for Unkwasem. You know, my money na a competing interest.
Okay.
Safety, any economic issues.
Okay.
Yeah. Say ye be di ye na yen kodi nsenseme. Any say ye benya adwuma ye na ye benya sika to ye botom. Obviously, say you may DNA boa economy at the local levels in the baby bebre. Obviously, akwada na oti mutusu no ye Okada no. Se bia wa enya no a e bia ko be ya de foforo bia enemra betia. Say since ni adwuma.
Yeah.
On some na adwuma. Nti one can easily argue say yes, the amount nipa bi no adwuma otherwise nko betena fie kwa ananke bia omu be ye bonofo sembi. They are pay one aduane na no na de yeso ekọ ohawo ne nsohwe bi bebre bi mu.
Okay.
Okada, the word Okada no Nigerian na.
I think so.
Nti alien to us. Just say enya de a yenim ho asem. Free baby na abeto ye. Ye de enim pa kese ye amentifedo. Bicycle.
Okay.
Sa moto ya na UCA.
I no kra na ye private use.
Private use. It you call ade ad manager me call not na me hu ma ya nom ne ade o muti moto so nom ne ade gbe so obi kwa afuom na bicycle the way obe parking e ba yire. Na ni pagu ache metimi twa pictures ne ade. Very interesting. It na a purely private use.
Yeah.
Ntina enoso system no pi.
Okay.
Ana obi no obi nko competition bi na ho prepare bi.
Na se wokọ north ade se uhu sa ade na odu traffic mu aka gina onu su gina. Sa ade no anytime am bia eye me fa.
Onu kura gina nsa na ka gina. If you say onim say onu na otimoto no so no o mobo wo ye vulnerable. Ana ye onu an private ade na o ya ade nti na so prepare ne ho. Enti most teachers are omuye maya or up north, nurses, and yeah, do na use motorbikes.
Oh yeah.
Forestry commission staffs be a to more up north. Use motorbikes. Now well disciplined, and na to agumu na chese the all use private and the all use for commercial Okada no ana etuafra. But clearly uko up north tamale particular. Now jina baby observe for 5 minutes. Ube hunia or motor so or they private and any or they motor riding, motorcycle riding. When you see a shadow group will be a riders. Motor akisi.
I almost train you omo.
Boom.
Ghana kwabo e from say bikers so say big motorbikers.
Say bia holidays and weekends be. No ma bomu yo na motor no speed e omo call. Any send you omo down omo. A hard pass say obeti say omunya nkwansia simply because they have the training
and omu protect your
protect themselves the protected ana omu ne nam kromo mengel fra as if say a part of the transport system omu de no a sport to them and a leisure time
okay
a club
some kind of hobby
na say say another form of transportation, commercial transportation. Yes, bicycles. And nanu within Okada no Bakubi no. More friends Pragia ne ho. And I'm saying for the by system about 5 years.
For no friend keke.
I'm saying for 5 years coming. And I don't know, say 10 years. I don't.
My own research about me come na me ho ya na mtete makro no so kra nyefe. Upe taxi kra unya taxi. This offer na utip.
About for Florida near friend of Mahama Kambu.
Yes. About areas ni bi sa na
Mahama Kambu.
Areas ni bi friend.
It was a particular time.
A
particular time frame be. And consciously you need that as on mine, as politicians, and I cry be brave the buy. I've been poor attached, might not be that bad. It's easy transportation.
I'm saying economic aspects because I say, for president, Mama commission the might be more a juma na omo.
That's it.
Commercial aspects,
that's the point. Me, did the buy. Ya need that hona ye the buy. It ye need that hona the buy say ye wadwon pose ebeboa no. Na de na sequence nke ye bepe ho akade ye mra ne fa ha nkwa ha nsi ha anyesei mfa nipa we nyesei ho akade. And now even in specifications.
Okay.
As to say because engineers no tell you say we that year we anyway see ha ne ade entimi fa more than load so.
Yeah.
Weight sense.
Okay.
I say I left here for ko left bi I chire nipa dodo betumi akoma at time kilograms betumi akọ sa machines no ne ade ni nyina dodo a betumi afa weight yesefa ni nyina must be there ba ye buye ni ku ni nyina so ana the commercial aspect no ye fa no wholesale there ba o Asian countries in
ya dwen na nkoso na ye buye ni gu so
ni nyina both.
Okay.
I do not cost no say I do not cost crash or buye ni go so either of them. Ana uko Asia Malaysia put the do maja use.
Okay.
Me and
no so shall say India and Kasanifi.
Yes, Indonesia, India, Burma. Omunum ne use no kesepa Madagascar no Pakistan. No use ne kesepa. But say what I share omu seen in omu ayi no. Who said they are regulated a dozen, but they are regulated.
Okay.
They are regulated. Any kwanya umbefa so a be your movement and omniad. Enti ehun akwa ko hia se. Na me no say it has come to stay here hu hwe nyi say regulation. No, yentimi nya sa. Yentimi ntu yen san ko wiem sa anka se baby e do no yentimi nya hwe. There's something we can do.
What can we do? Your version na streamline no activity. It said the baby boy more commercially no and economically no
within the regulation.
Yes, I agree. It will be in the regulation. Yes. But then, as I say, say a conscious effort cost for buy no. As a conscious effort. Etimi eswa no na yetimi kire say I hadn't had here untimi nko. Where in Krankrodrium accident ni bebre kolabu for no beka kire. Dodo na ye Krankrodrium.
Okay.
Where traffic lights ahodo akese atenten akese ne overhead no me ade. No mu dis moto no twitwa won ho no nyina omo respect sa ne mane manya.
Traffic regulations
nyina. Enti DVLA any adwumakuo ya
Road Safety Authority.
One said it. Policy guidelines now we train free Ministry of Transport. Say if any developers, be developer, in your mind they still have a responsibility.
So mo be dey. Omo propose bibi mfa nko. Ana say.
Ye ni mo o papa kan mi nu kan say o so call na Okada president or ba e wo sunyan ho.
Techima.
Enti clearly Techima municipality.
Our friend our.
Na da for no ono obeboa obo. Road safety phone serious so.
You know we are politicians.
Yes.
We engage.
Eric, thank you.
His Excellency our.
Maybe my revelation. enya nwa say Eric be or be 10
ego
of a mini
wo bi enya bone it's an investment wo bi enya bone but say na woni mu no wo bi enu no aka ya
don't get say me so be ka say me obi because me so me ni mu pa ma bisa ma anytime I make obi a first kwa dem ko bi kro ma na me koye ho adwuma documentary da me dey abere office for me say me kan ya na fe me bre na me cha
ya wo dey and dey fe na person now you have visibility.
I see.
On a more serious note, you have to say the Eric K. Techiman. You identify Techiman. Techiman or municipal assembly or police service MTTD or
okay.
Sir road safety.
Okay.
And a DVL or
okay.
These four state agencies. Ebetimi engage all Okada for Jinara at that locality.
Into omonya ni locality based and because Kumasi say asawase so womu go pa.
Yeah, na me say. Yeah, me say. Wo dey say pilot in kra. Techiman. Yen omo engage won nyina.
Okay.
Yen license won nyina. Yem hu bia. Yen fo won ko training in titie mu.
Okay.
Na yen observe won activities over the period. Na yen hwe say omo be disciplined. Na omubego ebetimi our system no mu.
Okay.
If you say policy direction I be develop bia, I see a develop from the ground.
Okay, yes e betina ha ni ahihya akoma wo mo. Nti yen hwe ground so no. I think that's a beautiful suggestion.
Yeah, of a minchowa no. Of a mini share manage.
Okay.
You see, your politicians na. This is the time I was realizing who say, nye de way am penning for ni team kwa na ye perfect.
Okay.
On see about bonte be catch Ghana for na no other say. Your manifesto here a bottom up approach.
How engage guy
engage offer say me say my can get
oh that be say why we who person make you point why we
offer
now you see
oh cutting him you say you are coming to ask because he was developing a good point
but of us what me
you see policy direction
okay
I don't know I wo adwumadie na omudie na our localities in kran ha AMA and all the agencies, any other municipalities can control from within their locality.
Pertaining to every locality. No. And because I can say kwani ye gusu eye, but the owo we ni krom sampa honom no kwan no nye mfutu kwan. Enti no kra no ma setena mu no mu twi ni se mo de ko akurase to akurase etisen.
Anna the most dangerous aspect of it, anyone where the bokro no. One di moto no bokro no.
Enu ye two leg no. Say ade na wo moto e o three leg no ye o two leg.
That Okada na ye two leg. Anna
Prajiano.
Mahama Kambu no.
Mahama o be pek Mahama Kambu. Enu na bobo ya.
Once enu ye different from there. Ayira mempeni vice etimo atu.
Okay.
Enu no ye the maslock for no chiche so we hu.
Okay.
Enu so the me hu ye na mahudin no
because the present team no.
The omo de fani ama.
That's
the bobo ya.
400 ayira won off no.
Enti
na motor bike so 700.
As much say ye be pese ye be innovative. Na ye be boa ye ne ye ho titru ye manom rante nom ne ade a omni adwuma ye. Na ebetimi. We are ye ken. Me wayi Okada e matena so pen. Na me ba program bi wo mo ha. 2016 no nemu aye hyehyehye no na ma mantema nkrofo no bebu agu so
okay
and ma ka traffic mu wo forestry commission gempa hon
okay
na me hwe traffic no ani ade a wa na me ka chem driver ne opake na ye tiri so ye de ba ku bi twem driver ndo omni momo ti ya ujina no ma na hu odem tena so ano odem ba na mirika bi a
no go nim say me so ma fu bi da
obafo ya
so I mean no na a private one your commercial me fu motor da but na me so traffic me ho ache me pa ti me nya private one na o de me call baby me ka say 10 minutes that we do say motor ya po
na what
not risky the fact that boy no chance say can risk
o de me na mu na see ya na anu so na me tire ya na o helmet extra one ti me de helmet ase na ba bia na hia me kese pa ye me kotodwe no because me se me kotodwe na yese ana o yese kunyira ti ba ku de kotwi ka bi ka na pack o de twi no
ene o kotodwe be twi no
ne kakra twi ni kakra ho adam ne
de bezi
enti daddy say me ba program no so Oh yeah, na me hiti pa.
She's a hit out the fruit motor the buyer and one out the buyer. But a boy be no more so.
But you see, so then at send your aduane a yedie eno a na ekum yen. Ye yanum gu ye eno a na ekum yen. But that does not mean say sa necessary ye no.
All right.
Say a boa was segment of our public transport system mu a. Yen pen pumesi bre. Na yen widi out. Won enim nim de na onfa beya so brachi mu fa nya adwuma.
Okay.
Now I can foresee said that she be a koyanim na ye bus transit rapid transit itimi developing ye na atimi aye adwuma na ye wododo a all these how we now automatically
be feel me that yentie the amount for so ye ne wo mudi dwuma wo mo hwe free can Facebook commenter modi abana making kan yi wolanyo akwatia na ne de adi kan say hypocrisy and dishonesty will dent the image of NDC because it was published in October 2015 which was loudly pronounced by then President John Mahama that the Electoral Commission is independent. Nobody can dictate to them, and what actually has changed now, new register is a must, and no matter what measures of threat will stop compilation of a new register. Nana yao de kweku yawo sande kweku. Okay, nana yao kweku ajimaidia. Good morning, Sister Ya. The NDC should give us a break. There is a national discussion on board, and then the NDC guy goes politicizing. These are the people telling us to give them power, which government came and never allowed backdoor recruiting of police personnel or in any agencies. Antonio Bain Ablade, Fiekuma Zungu Takrade. We will go ahead with new voters register, says EC. No one is forbidding the EC to compile a new voters register, but doing so in an election year is not prudent. So Madame Jean Mensa should listen to the views of the political parties and the ordinary Ghanaian kakra, because EC is there for the people and not the other kind of the AMPODNT. Menkai Mesrewa. Osekwa Joseph says, Yaba, who told you that police don't have enough trained riot control police officers to take care of such situations? Police administration has lost focus and always putting square pegs in round holes. Have you heard of police RDF? They are trained to perform such stadia duties. Ibrahim Mami Fatima says, I'm really enjoying the program. Thanks. And then Honorable Abedi inquired as he says, from the birthday man, it's your birthday, right? Okay, so happy birthday to you. Thank God Foreign Minister is promoting Ghana beyond aid in Turkey. But the NDC should know that there will be new voters registered this year. If they don't understand or like it, they can refuse to register or also they know mankind. Sandra Usu says, I'm always afraid when I see a motorbike coming because some used for robbery. How can we know the good ones out of the bad ones? I know so. Manav, let's see. Manav Wakilu Adams Kumasi, the NDC is ready. The NDC will not use guns and weapons to win the battle against the EC, which has now become a rep of the ruling NPP, but we will use our brains to map our strategies to win the war against the oppression. It's 9:16. Let me see. In Tienchen 555 and 666. Okay, so
will be out 12 minutes.
Doc, I did a mepon 9:30. No, 12 minutes. I time very mepon. And call me 14 minutes. And 666 no mama me one and then me do me time so. Mama doc for chemical some shall say was now so Eric na one more me can one more me can say one more other parties be say and what you be account who say there be celebrate the new voters register MYA. Now so Eric mako the mo ewo tamale aba mo dwen Kumasi ne nkrade mu easy enne Ghanaian Times ya but almost say omo be koso ama ye new voters register et you say
ya me that's Electoral Commission na minim patapa ache kureshe omo de ye adwuma Ghana enra utimi follow monuanom City TV enyumre no ya problem okroma o na nadu adamfu ya no ya political science lecturer Dr. Bosman Asare ya wadena ko eji mensa deputy no omo ye no one on one na ohwe kwanya papa no fa so contradict ne ho ni statement omo de ato abonten ne questions abena da vlebusa ne de wokeka yasi ye de omo ye independence they will cause this nation into constitutional chaos. I'm telling you the fact.
Independent.
Yes, me say ye de omo ye independent.
Okay.
These people will cause mess in the country.
Okay.
Because one, sa entrenched position no more take. Yeah. The ye hu ni say abrebia na ye mama Jemensa be ye consistent. Na ne consistency ni e baby a MPP for sided with. Even womra na o me electoral commission nyina no ya ye mama Jemensa tama na wo aye ya na ye nua no MPP for air champion so mo pe new register no okay the position is electoral commission ye independent though but electoral commission by then no onya so no nti omo de omo ka no so bi onti all parties enen so no wa be ye commissioner ono be ye commissioner ne no ono de o se ono oti obi enye yie. But the position of the NPP, Abanya, a word Jemensa, or Moneman appointment, and so they say, ye hear new register. And a Jemensa's position is ye hear new register. So our question always, you know, Onyanya commissioner Mpono, not or you're consistent with the NPP for pay.
MPP and obey say ye new register.
Oh, now no ya.
Say easy kind.
And I'm say,
now no ya. Other parties.
Now no ya.
The easy
gas for Kufia Palu Party, liquefied petroleum gas, and LPG.
But any liquefied petroleum party. But you unim.
Oh, minim no.
Correct one.
Minim no.
Yes, son, what?
And na minim catch me. Yeah. Omudin the same. LPG. Yeah. Senka. Now no ya. Almost kwati omuku a almost omudia in for register na. Abi MPP they were there. Minu ya penny John Boadu ne kasai. And argument omu ye nyina omu ni electoral commission ye the same argument. Led by Jemensa and Bossman Asari. So what is different here? NDC as a political party, any other parties, your position is say electoral commission have been ordered by the team who post young question your voter register no. Yem penny ne penny china. And electoral commission for catcher Ghana for so mu independent. And tia mo kwan no mo nyomo juma. Ya wan say democracy near practice meboa. O de kotwi kase mu a yesi kan bi mami kan bi. Yenim say constitution e dibu oman no. Ba kan bi mami kan bi na ye de aba no. Ade bia na obeye no. You work in the interest of the people. And even the same constitution na ye dibu oman a article 45 46 yama wa kwenya and no na de je woman na okrum hey. Constitution chronicles says sovereignty reside in the hands of the people. Yameboa is article 1 or so. All these things are there. Enti ade bia obesusu se wo ye no. You work in the interest of the people. And you consider a lot of factors so. And the yam yan say time no ni so. When we krata we ekutami. Krat am say obewo copy. We after say electoral commission nanado ne Dr. Bawomiamo court no. Na electoral commission after court decision no kwanya Supreme Court case o momfa so ni omodwumadi and na company bi okotintim in the name of electoral commission kwanya o momfa so nye reforms ne de keka ho involvement of civil society organizations ne IE and na me don sorry ahomache na me kan mu no. I was asking myself say ye mama Jemensa we IE play very key role after Supreme Court decision no say you make reforms no but akoye te say de mama ne ba ye no adwene mu papa na oti ayi o se onim ni nyina no ayira enne waba
Freddy Ebert Foundation
yes
sa kode ofonso mo de but o kan omo share de si omo observation
yes
omo ye na omo ma recommendation
yes but okwa detail o meti wase
say yensusu
ya mama ka chinchin ache sa yensusu ye no omo fanto abato no eno na eku ye electoral commission kitinkiti ye hu. One say Jemensa ba ya no be catch Ghana for say IPAC any legislative backing. So their decisions are not binding. Obia ya we meboa. Although their decisions are not binding, no, they've been there for several years. They are stakeholders. They are the industry players. Omawo system no more. Electoral commissioners are back up. But obiti say dunketia wa ko IPAC almost 15 years. Dr. Kwadwa for a pension or retirement. Charlotte Bayana ye yine do oko Jane wa ba beto no. So you can't be telling us say new entrance na mobile electoral commission no more electoral wisdom e dey change that political players no more field no etina the essence of IPAC and say you go there o de wadwe no ba oni omo nyina discuss because of the experience na political parties ne wo need their interest in elections in the country. Because in this case,
electoral political players, you know, omo interest. Enti say si obe follow omo de no tem bia. Wan hwe ya ebe chia.
Mameka asemonchro. Asemo America no. The interest enti na IPAC no ya for me meboa. Enti party bia ba over the interest of your party. Ba mo kwotena se a mo jojo to get a common goal a mo nyina mo be fa so a abotoye mu beba de mbeye bia. Dr. Farijan penso sa na ne ye no. Charlotte says sa na ne ye no. Under Jameisa ne penso na wama yehu say IPAC useless o. Ana because Jameisa be mo what ase say the omo can IPAC ne de adwene ba ye pa ne ye fa. And don't forget, these are the things that escalated. This petty squabbles. This petty squabbles na ba yehu how to tackle it. We know the truth. But can you see people say you dey register na be ye enye wanwa na no other MPP for your omo conference me hu ofa na tade fefefe Emma Chimensa honorable ekogina simpie so ka say ye ka ne ha ne say electoral commission timi change voter register no political party will win power apart from MPP in Ghana. So what is the agenda behind? Well, some of their comments in ya me yasa o time ni so enti ye ntimi nko NDC as a party ye ne party nkete ne me de ma no si for
LPG no enye liquefied party Liberal Party of Ghana.
Okay, me that's it. Ya ntimi de ma no si for
Eric
ofa me de ma no si for
Eric ye be dey adwuma me so ofa no specialize ofa
say this way so dey you hear ni so say
me that's it
ya me de ma no si for
oh men say put na wa ya ma me no don't patch 6 minutes
One time no sir. Man cut up.
Okay, one to start. Honorable Adekye Mensabus, Majority Leader Minister for Parliament. On can ya wo kan baby. Okay. We free kick and answer. Oh, tie. Play in the back near. Now there's so much. They say on can baby. Now on cancer, no cancer. 2. Voter register. Me aya na me wanwa say ebi no monte ase say ndis for so mompene dia pa na ya ye no man susue be na dia ba e be boa o man kan kwa ndis for freely willingly ababonte say an ye pene so from yeraje ekufo penso national health insurance mo se enye mo nye mu kasa ho parliament ye mo boycott ye wie ya ye implement mo members in the dimrika ko register bantama me se bantama ye wo hwe yi sabre no NHI women NDC for nko say nipa 100 na register NDC supporters nko be say 80 na mko register na anu yen National Identification Authority jumadi ebedi mo se mo boycott mo nye in fact mo ba bonten be ka kire mo supporters nya se mo bi anye ekwo wi ase me ko register me ni mo penifo 9 mo di manim no mo dikan no mo register ene ana mo tu oguma yin nyina register
penifo 9 so ntumi mo mo dey
oni mo fa kokko oh meti of mischief pa ene we ba ko bi oye ne
oh meti abobodi
of abobodi no
Eric bi ko me body bi kwara aka mo intimen dem
o be fi sampa mama ntama ba be
so be bi o dey afa
so enti clearly bibia ni ho a ya ka hwe se ya na ebu ye ho abomfia na em nwa se o mo kofa professor Andrew Charles ofi Nigeria ba
dia isi kofa na ba
da bi na mo ye
someone anu ada mo the professor Jiga ba
na mo ye annual mo ye
made Ghana
na mo ye made
electoral knowledge anu kofa Jiga
na mo ye made na yi bi ama your papa wa twem koi vice president the late vice president Amisa Ata
no His Excellency Amisa
Ata His Excellency professor in Nigeria baba catch there na NDC for say omani jina ye Ghana na mo economy no aban na ho no ahihye ne ye enti mamu mu ho abonfia wo man. That is what we are doing from our electoral processes 1993 ye kwa abato so be seen there ya making progress pa ya making progress so they compare
but what's your point no omo se omo nka se new register nye nebre no meba ho everybody wo ma change ya change register o man mu pay ya change ya mbisa question ya change Of course, if you be about from 92 up to now,
it's biometric registered.
Biometric, they're 2012, they're 2010, 1 year. Good.
Biometric,
good. That be it. Be a best register. Now, I register now. Your best son. Near the atoa bay your man penny. Near the atoa bay assemblyman. Near the atoa bay parliamentarians. But whom he says yes, son. To the point I hear biometric registration. Answer near biometric registration. Now register all that than the yimpen for memo will be the president. But you can say yes, son, and yes, son, biometric registration. And there your baba bedroom pen so we. Yes, son register. Oh, my argument is a register. And no, dear you man penny would the president. Eden Amokase what and yet. So that argument does not hold. Okay. Two. Yawaha and your tour about 2016. Nanu ni ntimo boy. Maame Charlotte says Abron commissioner. Oba be catch the Ghana for nyina say EC system ne ade has been hacked. Say obi abawura electoral commission system. Eno na chi no ya bubo ayi nyina wie ye no mpo a ya so president Akufo-Addo in office no.
Yambo register mu.
Ya wura maham
software no.
Oh, the software
the register is different.
Oh, please. Okasa
yes.
Okade
the people the offer can yes, two things.
Oh,
Adekye. Offer correction be no yes. I mean ankasi abora register. They have had into their website or their system.
Almost system no more transmission.
Offer me too. A flow from Bibia na babe si hwe electoral commission si shey no yenyi ba akun free yenyi na mu
collect results no enye register na different the day every enti the omo collect results omo transmit am
wotie me
yes doc
say yetimi bowura wo transmission system it means ya bowura wo register mu ne wa dada na say mama je mensa na kan mama I shall say after see to aba ne wie na ya bobo wie ya ntokwa si wo mu ntem no o say ono na ba de akire Sule Amadu illegally eyi nkrofo free voter register no so e transfer wo mu illegally e de kokọ baabi no
no say our access to
access
so say illegally we yi nkrofo
illegally our utie one our access to voter register no system no ana illegally wire transfers free ha kwa ha ne ha affected electoral commission the djuma enti se obi wo access na ewo voter register no software no na otimi hack into ana obi timi bowura mu it is very akin to say transmission system near there enti everything is corrupted in totality. Oh yes, ono na no asem me ma example enti ono ankasa no be kan na say Charlotte say na oja ho akono o se Sule Amadu ne ono na advice mo e wo electoral processes mu e wo Ghana Sule Amadu ne mo special advisor
e wo hinfa
NDC e wo electoral process ono na Charlotte say ono Amadu Soli or access to voter register. And an access now one so or they are illegal transfers. But they are baby or baby and such voter register. Now you transfer more day. Your best son.
Yeah. Mesre.
Hold on.
Offer.
Your best son no. We easy ni.
Ghana. Say see here the mama ye Ghana for.
Na say we muso mo ye Ghana for.
O me ye Ghana for. No be the people. Now o ma me no aduane ofia. No aye fufu a ya you may choose na me ni fufu
ambassador na because 13 political parties are saying yes 8 are saying no
bia yemunche o do opa me starting trade o mu na be dika akotro mu di fufu
dedication na o ye
wo di opa education maybe
o say dedication one
dedication
ya unua be ma kwesi asiedu I have original organizer NDC
why then I would
na bisi ni aid no
na would
ye ne ba ye friend Christo dia asiedu na ye ne baby or your student or Gracefield
na would that so am na titi
me wa yin so ma ya
someone here
me would data bia me
someone here
about GRE
Eric Someone
ye
free
bi e koso wo ho no.
Ghana Revenue Authority. Erike, someone hwe ye
free
mo free tamale.
Me de be ba bonte.
Mo free tamale.
Mo free tamale e be ye easy.
Mo ko obuase
e wo Ghana Revenue Authority. And the transport department. Unim so omo de ama private.
Honorable Dr. Henry Kwabena Kokofu, or your Deputy CEO, Ghana Integrated Iron and Steel Development Corporation, and Ora Eric Adekye, or your Deputy Regional Communications Officer, Emma NDC, Pacho Anope Medamwase Papa, Yenua Bema, Ebenezer, Kwamina Esando, or UTV ha, or your visual editor, Kwamina, Ene Wawuda, Enti Efiwodo Yere, Ene Wobabe Mwano, and ya wo UTV na ya ma happy birthday. Onyame enshira ato Kwamina na onye okese. Pacho Medamwase, midin de yakuna manyame ya dum ochina Adekye Nsroma besia ba mogidie se wote ase se afidie se ya ye bepon amu be hyesa so momfa nche bebo homodin bia se ombete ase na ya tenetene na so koba se ye dedede nye se ye hyeda ase ye pese ye tuatua mu aso season no so ka ho ti monte ase sa enya hamatan no election year no ka ho enti obuba sa na be kodo ye da mu ase ya mi hia won ti nanimu chiro ensi wiye na ensi nsa no adwuma yi na ukodura eya me mari mfisa obeda na se na ode china so achewo yakram.